I have it on. Oh, I do. Okay, it's on. Couldn't hear it when I'm traveling. Well, hello there, you two. Today is Monday. What is it? Oh, come on. The 10th, 11th, March 11th. We had some rainy weekend. It was cold yesterday. I went out and did some lacrosse. It was like 46 degrees, and it was rainy and drizzly the whole day, and it rained all day Saturday. Gonna do a baseball game, but no, hell no, not in the rain. I did do a drizzle day, and it was cold, but I dressed warm. And so today is a totally different day. I'm out for a ride. I got on a light jacket, you know, just long pants, so it's nice. It should be in the 60s. Let me see what my watch says. 68. This says 70, but it's always never right. It's always a couple degrees off. And then when you stop and you get the heat from the motor, you'll go up to 110. So it's a nice day. Got the Spyder. I rode the Spyder. Oh, last time it was nice out, but I didn't have it on ultra wide, so all you saw was just didn't see much. So I think I got it on ultra wide now, so I didn't use the video that I shot before. But we have we got the week off. It's spring break, and both the local parents up here got spring break off. So I think we're going to have them on Wednesday night because they want to, I don't know what they want to do, but we'll have them on Wednesday night and Thursday. So then we'll have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday off again. But I miss them after a week. They miss us too. They want to come over to Grandma and Grandpa's when they spend too much time at home. They like us. What a nice day. You can see some of these trees blooming, the flowery trees, even though it got cold last night. It was 35 degrees. But you can see some of the flowery trees coming out. Well, you could, as soon as I get by some. Such a nice day. I think I don't know if I have a dental appointment today. I think it's tomorrow and Wednesday. You know, I'm trying to find some of those flowering trees that are coming out. They're not natural to Texas. They're those ones that get white flowers on them. Had them all over in our old neighborhood. But there's some up here. I guess they're the other way. Stop recording. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna check out my tire pressures this morning on this because I haven't checked them in a while. But I always keep these fronts at 22. That seems to keep it more stable. If you don't have enough air in them, it kind of dances all over. And I got a car tire on the back, so I got 26 in that. Well, 22 in the front, 26 in the back, and it seems I love that car tire though. It's just it's going to last so much longer than those other crappy things they put on these things. But it's pretty nice out. I don't think it's 72. It's 67. This says 73, but it's really only 67. It's still nice out, considering the weather we had this weekend. Well, I hope I have this thing on super wide, otherwise I won't be able to use it either. I got the Insta 360 Ace Pro. I like it. It's supposed to sync with Cardo, but it won't sync with my old Cardo. I have the Cardo Freedom 4, and it won't sync with it. It sees it, but it won't connect. It sees the Cardo, but it just won't connect. So I got an external mic that I've always been using, and it's plugged into here too.